This is Jeff with Parker Wholesale Cars in Tallassee. Today I'd like to show you a great little hatchback and one of our very best sellers. Check out this 2024 Nissan Kicks SV. The SV is the most popular, most bang for the buck in the Nissan Kicks lineup. Around back, rear park assist sensors, lots and lots of rear storage, backup camera, rear wiper, rear spoiler. Really sharp alloy wheels with a great set of tires. Ample room for your rear seat passengers. They also have access to dual USB charging ports in the back of the center console. It's super black with charcoal interior, factory roof rack, color key door handles, color key mirror caps. Just as clean inside as it is out. Forward collision sensor located right in the middle of the grille. It's also equipped with passive keyless entry. Bucket seats, embroidered floor mats, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, blind spot monitor, automatic headlights, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, in the wheel, audio controls, trip computer functions, Bluetooth, and intelligent cruise. Only 23,000 one-owner miles. Touchscreen radio, AM, FM, XM satellite, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, backup camera, heating and air controls, more USB ports, 12-volt outlet, electronic parking brake, push-button start, console shifter, keyless entry key fob including remote start, and Carfax vehicle history report. If you'd like to know more about this 2024 Nissan Kicks SV, please give us a call, 334-283-6823. It's time you experience the Parker difference. Thanks for watching.